Hi everyone, it's me Ria here and welcome back. Today I'm super excited because today I'm going to tell you guys how to make 3 different types of circuits. So these materials we're going to be making a circuits out of are household, so you can find them easily at home. But one of them, which is a battery, you might need to go buy outside, and if you have them at home, great. So I'm going to tell you the 3 different types of circuits we're going to make today. So the first one is a simple circuit, the second one is a series circuit, and the third one is a parallel circuit. So let's get to it. So the first circuit I'm going to be making is a simple circuit. So the materials for this we'll need is some tape, a big Duracell battery, a little light bulb from Christmas lights, like this, and you'll need 2 strips of foil, which are folded, and also make sure that they're equal. And also you'll need a piece of paper. So I'm going to tell you the steps we'll need to do. So first, you guys will take your big battery and we're going to tape it down on our piece of paper. Okay, stay still, battery. Batteries, they roll around all the time. Like this. So now it's our little light bulb's turn. Make sure you untape them and make sure they're secured super tightly. Okay, like that. A few more. Oops, like a little here. Okay, like this. Now we're going to take our little strips of foil and we're going to tape them to the ends of the light bulb. Make sure you don't just put the tape on the copper wire. Make sure you put it right in the middle, so not on top, so the electrons can flow better and there's no stopping in the middle. So it looks like this one's done, but I think I could add a little bit more tape so it stays secure. Looks good. Now it's our other piece of foil's turn. Like this. Okay, now we're gonna first secure it to the piece of paper. And now I'm going to secure the copper with the foil. Like this. So when you're done that, make sure you don't tape the ends of the foil to the battery. So you guys want to see this light up, right? I know you guys do. So I'm going to show you how to light that. It lights up and the power went off. How awful. See guys? It lights up. Yay! So I'm going to tell you guys how this is a simple circuit and how the electrons are moving. So this is a simple circuit because a simple circuit only has one load, so only one motor or only one light bulb. So we only have one light bulb here. It only has one power tool, which is obviously our battery right here. And also it only has one way for the electrons to move through, so it doesn't have multiple ways. So I'll show you guys. So over here, when I put a piece of foils to the battery, see guys? So first the electrons come out from the positive side. So they're super energetic. So they move through the foil into the copper, inside the battery, up inside the battery, down out inside the other side of the copper, and back down the other side of the foil, and back in the negative side. Then they get charged again and keep on going round and round and round. So whenever you make a circuit, make sure your circuit is closed, because if, for example, right here, it lit up. So if I move this side away, it's not complete circuit, because the electrons here, they can't jump. They need to move. So it needs to be attached like this. So now let's move on to another circuit. And the other circuit we're going to be building is a series circuit. So the materials we'll need for a series circuit is a big Duracell battery again, and 2 little light bulbs. now it's 2. So first we're gonna take one light bulb, we're gonna put the other side, and we're gonna take one side of the copper and put it on the positive side of our battery. Now the other end we're gonna put on the negative side. See, it lights up. Now I'm gonna do the other, little light bulb. So I'm gonna put it in the same place I put my other one. Oops. Gotta be a little careful. Come on. Yeah, one. Ow, it's a little pokey. So make sure you have an adult watching you. One. Ooh, looks like the power went off again. Okay, came back. And then we'll put the other one. See? Lights up! Wow! Oh, the power went off again. Seriously? Okay, came back. Well, how is this a series circuit? Well, a series circuit has one power tool, which is our battery. It has one path for the electrons to move through, but it has 2 loads or more than 2. So over here, we only have 2 loads. So how are the electrons moving through? Well, they're moving almost in the same way as a simple circuit. So first, the electrons get powered here on the positive side. Then they come out over here, going through this wire, inside the light bulb, down, 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 back to the negative side. And then we have, another wire connected to the negative side. So those electrons go in that wire, back up here, back up there, and back through the positive side. So this is how they light up. It's a little hard with one hand. See? So this is how it's a series circuit. So the last but not the least circuit we're going to make today is a parallel circuit. So we'll need the same materials as a series circuit. 2 little light bulbs and 1 big Duracell battery. So we're going to put the battery aside. And we're going to take our little 2 light bulbs. So the copper, the wire, we're going to attach them together. You might need an adult for help. If not, that's going to be great. So you're going to just secure them, twist them a little till they get tight. Okay, now we're going to do the other side. Make sure you do both of the sides. Twist, 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 twist. Done like this. So it might make like a little star or diamond shape, you could say, almost. So now it's our turn with our battery, big battery. So we're going to take one end of our 2 batteries connected together and put it on the positive side. Now we're going to take the other end and obviously connect it to that's right, the negative side. Lights up. See, guys? Finally, the power didn't go off. So how is this a parallel circuit, and how are the electrons moving through? Well, a parallel circuit has more than one load, so we have 2 here. It has only one power tool, which is going to be our battery, obviously, and it also has 2 ways of the electron to move through. So over here, the electrons are getting powered, obviously, by the positive side, and when I put the copper wire on top of the positive side, the electrons have a choice. They can go either the left side or the right side. So some are going on the left, the others are going on the right. So if they're over here on the right, they would go this way, down like this, up, down, 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 back in the negative. If they're on the other side, they're coming the same way. So they have 2 paths. So you guys can see. So these are the 3 simple types of circuits I've made with you guys. You guys should try it at home. It's super fun, super cool, and it's super easy because you guys can find these materials at home, except a battery. If you do as I said, great. Thank you. Bye.